Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another series of DigiGuru. In this series of ours, we'll be talking about email marketing. I have been continuously receiving some of the messages and calls from my students regarding how is the email marketing platform like, whether is it even efficient enough to practice upon, or shall we even continue working upon these things because as per their experience and conclusion, email marketing is not performing. But just to tell you guys, this is one of the biggest myth that probably you must be thinking. Email marketing is right now the only sector which is growing. If I talk about the fields which are present on digital marketing, like social media, AdWord, and many other fields, the one of the field which is in continuously giving or continuously rising is email marketing. So why email marketing is performing like you talk about a brand whose email you don't receive. Like suppose if I want to give you a message and you misses out a video. Like suppose I made it a video ad. It may be a chance that you have not seen my video ad, or you may have missed, or you may have just pressed the skip button as soon as you have received the you have seen the option of skip. Fine, you haven't seen the entire video, or any other ad like on AD, the text ad which is appearing on SERP. You even avoided it because you know those are ads and the organic results start after the inorganic results, or you may have bypassed the display ads that I'm trying that I have made in order to target you. But if I talk about email marketing, it is there in the inbox. If you haven't missed, then there is a chance that today, not tomorrow, someday, one day, you may be looking at it. And if I framed my email like the subject line and the body efficiently, I can expect a conversion from it even after a few days, right? So trust me, guys, if you are working on this marketing platform, and don't avoid or don't try to skip the email marketing platform. It is working like anything, right? Now the mistakes what people use to do in email marketing. Basically, if I'm talking about anyone asking what is email marketing, they term a bulk mailing as an email marketing. That is not an email marketing. That is actually like spamming. We don't do bulk emailings, fine, in email marketing. Now what basically is email marketing? Like suppose there is a lead generation platform in your channel through which you are generating some leads, fine. Whenever any audience is interacting with your lead generation platform, you'd like to send them a mail as an acknowledgement that yes, they have like thank you for thank you for giving a valuable informations or giving some benefits. Like whenever you go in many platforms and you register yourself, you get an acknowledgement mail. So there is no one sitting as soon as you send an email, they will just reply you back. That there is a machine, there is a mechanism which is set based on your working, based on your behavior. The mail is being sent to you. These all are part of an email marketing. Now, if I talk about email marketing, basically an email marketing is not just about writing an email. An email marketing is about how to make whatever email you have written, make it land in the inbox. Not just making it land in the inbox, also how to make it open. Because till the time an email is not open, there is no value addition, right? Like you might have given an offer or something, and you would be getting benefited. You would not be getting benefited till the time an audience is not interacting with your mail or the link. So just by mere landing it in the inbox is not actually giving any benefit. Fine. So you want the audience to open the email and interact with whatever mail you write. Fine. So basically, an email marketing, we don't use the local service providers or the personalized service providers like this Gmail, Yahoo, Ymail, Rediff. These are not meant for the email marketing platforms. For example, like according to the rule of try, we can't send a promotional SMS or the bulk SMS with our personal number. We need to register the number through which we want to do these kind of promotional activities under the try, right? So similarly, there are various platforms through which we actually do the email marketing. not from the Gmail or Rediff or Yahoo. One of the platform through which in further videos I would be showing you a live demo part is a GetResponse. Fine. So now when we talk about the platform through which we send an email, there are certain rules and regulations that they also maintain. Like people who are coming down and registering on the platform, they need to maintain the quality. Like they would not allow anyone and everyone to come down and use their platform to send an emails to the audience or spamming. Basically, they avoid spamming. Now, what is spamming? Suppose you have not opted for a specific kind of email and you're continuously being bombarded with those kind of emails. That called as spamming. So how will that platform will come to know? If the email is not being opened, obviously, if the person is trying to do the spamming. Because if the email is not being opened, probably it means that he may not have opted that email services, or that email is of no use to him, or some irrelevant subject line must be written out there which is not giving a clear message why to open that email, right? Which is ultimately clubbed as a spamming. Secondly, suppose even if you have opened the email but you are not clicking on the link, fine. So if you're not clicking on the link, it simply gives the body of the email is not that attractive enough or not having that sufficient information that is making you click on the link. For example, many times you must have seen an email coming with a single URL on the top, right, and nothing else written on the entire body. So probably if you are having this kind of email, you would not like to interact or click on that kind of links, right? So you'd avoid clicking on these kind of links, and you would probably spam it or delete those kind of emails. Those emails are called as spamming. Now, so they have maintained certain rules and regulations so that the audience are not being, harassed with these kind of spamming emails on these platforms, right? Now, in email marketing, the actual thing when it starts is from how to make your email open, right? Right. So things start from making the email open, and how to make it open. Like till the time my email is not being opened, I can't show my benefits, my USP. Now, the first technique in order to make my email open is the subject line, right? How to write an efficient subject line, because the first thing which appears in front of an audience is the subject line only before the email is opened, fine. So in the next video of mine, you'll be learning different techniques through which we can write an email so that, or we can design a subject line so that my email is opened whenever it lands in the inbox of the audience. Fine. I hope you have understood the basic concepts of email marketing. Now in the further videos, you can check out how to make it open, how to increase the click-through ratios, and how to even get benefit out of email marketing. Fine. So hope to meet you in the further videos where you'll be learning more about these stuff. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.